In this video, we will show you how to create a password on PDF files. To create a password on PDF files, first you can using Acrobat Pro, and the second you can using Microsoft Word. Okay, in here I will prefer using Microsoft Word. Okay, I'm using Microsoft Office 365. When creating a PDF with password, okay, I will try to create PDF with password here. After you create a PDF files like this, just click File and select Save As and select Browse. After that, you can choose PDF here. Okay. Then in the options, just click in the options. You can see there is option to encrypt the document with a password. Just tick this. Then click OK. Now we need to type our password. For example, you want to type a password with 123 and click OK. The password must be between 6 characters. Okay, just type until 6 and then click OK. Now we can click Save. When we need to open these PDF files, it's required to us to input a password. Let's see when we wrong type a password. Incorrect password. And then let's see if we read with correct password. Now it's open smoothly. And that's all how you can create a password in PDF files. But the question is, how if you already have a PDF files? You can convert it into Microsoft Word, then save as into PDF using Microsoft Word with a password. Okay, that's all tutorial how you can create a password in PDF files. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.